Hi everybody, this is Anthony from Sunny Creates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I thought I would show you my latest digital kit, which will be in my Etsy store by the time this video goes live. It is called the Cozy Christmas Kit, and like normal, it's a whopping 32 pages, consisting of 6 main pages, 3 collage, 2 pattern, 8 background, 1 blank background page, 9 ephemera page, and 3 pages and 3 double pages. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this is the first main page, page number 1, and the second main page. So I added some nice cozy drinks with plant elements in it. It's page number 3, 4, that's page number 5. Love the lantern, absolutely love it. And page number 6. Okay, so then I've combined these pages into two of the pages per page, giving us a total of 3 pages, like with double on it. So it makes nice booklets, and you can even use them as journal cards if you cut them. Okay, so that's 1, and that's the other one. That's number 2 and number 3 of the combined pages. And then I love the collage pages. Started introducing that into my kits because I feel that I really use them. So that's page number 1, 2, and this is page number 3. And I print on 160 GSM matte cardboard, and at the moment I am using an inkjet printer, the Epson L4150. So you can have some idea of how an inkjet will print out. Obviously with the laser it's going to be much more vibrant. Okay, so this here is a background page, a patterned background page. That's number 1, and that's number 2. Yeah, so what's this word? My laser printer, for some reason, prints all browns and pink. And if we know anything about junk journaling, there's a lot of creams and browns in it. Okay, so another background page. For the life of me, I still can't get the name of this design. Crazy, I know. So that's 1. And that's the second one. The general theme is red and green. There's some gingham over here, but I only made it in red and 2 different types of red. And then some of the background pages are distressed, or in a way, but this one is clean or clear. So that's the second one. It's a background page here with some snowflakes on it, the distressed look over here. And oh, that's what's missing on this one. Okay, so I need to distress this as well. Oh, it is distressed. I just made it lighter. That's another one there. And that's another one. Yeah, I think I made the reds a little bit lighter in terms of distressing. And there's another one, candy striped. And there's your background page, because sometimes people like putting this on the you know, the back of those pages. They are A4 in size, but you can print to fit frame. I know there's a lot of people that buy it and print it to fit frame. So this here is one of the first ephemera pages with tags, and you've got your journaling spaces there, and some smaller like journaling cards. I like using them for like dangles and for my clusters. 2 nice big full size of postcards over there. You know how I love my envelopes. Love these. Going to use them for clusters. So very happy with it. I've got no real sayings, but I've got these little like well, not tickets, but little pieces where you can actually put them on your clusters. Some tabs over there, 2 whale-tail tabs, my famous bingo card. Love bingo cards. More tags over here, big and small. They are 7.5 by 15 journal cards. Another big envelope here, and then love my labels, and love that idea of a mini file folder. And then lastly, I think it's the pockets, 4 pockets, 2 side, 2 mid. Okay, so that is the kit, and as I mentioned, it is 32 pages. Quite a huge kit here that we have going. Like all the others, the only thing I did is on Etsy, because we have a limit in terms of file size. Sorry, just trying to neaten it up for you. We have a limit in terms of file size, and my kit has exceeded the file size. So what I actually did is the double pages. So the 3 double pages, I have put it into a link, so you can access it from the link. Okay, but that is it. I will be listing it today in my Etsy store, and like normal, it will run at 20% off for the next month. So please go get that and grab it. Kits are very cheap normally, so with the 20% off, it's really a good deal. I'll put the link tree below, and you can access it via that. And what I can say now is have an awesome weekend, and take care, everybody. Have a blessed weekend as well, until I see you this weekend with some videos. Bye bye.